YouTube, Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the planet wallpaper trend on TikTok. Now this will all be done using PixArt and it is quite easy to use. So when you launch PixArt, you need to click the plus icon in the middle and then you need to click on photos, all photos, and you need to select a particular photo. I'm going to browse my gallery and select one, which I believe will create a cool planet. Okay, so I have this photo selected. So once you have the photo, you need to click on tools, stretch, and swirl clockwise and counterclockwise. So I'm going to use counterclockwise first. Once you tap on the tool, you could increase the power and the size. So now you should simply begin swirling your image, and I'm going to do this part and speed it up and then show you what to do next. Okay, so once you're satisfied with your image, click on the check mark in the top right. So now what you need to do is, if you don't have an updated version, you could click on tools and you'd see an option here called shape. But in my CapCut, it is in cutout, so you need to click on cutout, shape, and select circle. So I'm going to need to highlight a portion of this image which I'd want to use. So once I've selected my shape, I simply need to click the check mark. And I have my image which I'll be using for my planet. So what I want you to do next is to click on sticker. So we're going to add a sticker. We're going to search for crescent moon. Now this is to give it a glow effect. So crescent moon. Select this one in the top right corner. We need to expand it all the way around. We just needed to give it a little bit of glow on the edge. Alright, so once we have our crescent moon selected, let's click on the check mark. Then what you need to do next is to cut out the circle again. So I'm going to use cutout, shape, circle, and I'm going to stretch this to fit just a bit of the glow effect. Okay, good. Click the check mark. So now once you have the glow around your planet, you could add another crescent moon to get the dark effect to the right side. So you could do that if you'd want. So what you should do next is to click on background, set it to black, and to begin editing your planet you need to double tap or tap on your planet to be able to resize the planet. So we could resize this, move it up a bit. Okay, good. So you'd set this to however you like. Click on save. And lastly, we could add some glitters on this by clicking on brushes and selecting any one of these which you'd like to use. We could click on it, change the size, change the opacity, or anything like that, and you could simply add some stars over there, and that's basically it. You could add a flare from this side. All right, let me undo those. You could change the size. Let's add a big star there and one there. So that's basically if you prefer to add anything else to yours. You could go through, add multiple stuff, add a bright star there, and that's basically it, guys. How to create your own. So you simply save by clicking on the arrow forward, save the gallery, and we're done. So that is how you create your planet wallpaper or planet in PixArt. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Hacker7 out.